How to mark as unread on Telegram X. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. So now we in this home section. Basically, this is the inbox section. Here, you'll be able to find different contacts and the people that you have added. Now, simply tap and hold on to the person whom you want to unread. So here, I'm holding and tapping onto one. Now, without leaving the touch, simply drag and drop it to this bottom three dot icon. So if you do this, you'll be able to find different options on the top. Here on the right top, tap on this three dot icon, and here you'll be able to find the option called mark as unread. Simply tap on mark as unread, and as you can see, the messages are popping up now. So you can do this if you want to later check out the messages. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.